Now, top sources have informed us that Arvind Kejriwal is expected to go home. He is expected to meet the leaders at his residence. Isha continues to stay live with us. Isha, the Aam Aadmi Party has planned a lot of celebrations for Arvind Kejriwal's return. We are told that he will directly reach home, where he will be meeting the other leaders of the party.
Right, Pratibha. Currently, we are reporting from right outside Arvind Kejriwal's residence in Civil Lines. And as we speak, we did see a convoy of cars just left his residence. In fact, we did see that Kejriwal's daughter has left in one of the cars here. And it is expected that after Arvind Kejriwal's release at around 5 to 6 p.m., he will be coming to Civil Lines. He will be coming to his residence. In fact, showing you here the visuals as well. Requesting my camera person to show you. A loudspeaker has been placed. This is the celebratory loudspeaker that has been placed, and this is where the music will be played here. You can see that a poster has also been placed. Requesting my camera person to zoom in. And the poster, reading from the poster, the poster stating Modi ka Kaal, Desh ka Lal. And this is a welcome back poster that has been placed for Kejriwal. And these posters are placed across Delhi, Pratibha. In fact, not just here, but in different parts of this road only, there are at least 3 to 4 posters that have been placed. So definitely, the Aam Aadmi Party is getting ready to celebrate the release of their supreme leader and the fact that Arvind Kejriwal will be walking out. But again, this release has come with some contentions because his powers have been limited. He cannot exercise the powers of the Chief Minister. So definitely a big question that looms over the heads of Delhiites is that will Arvind Kejriwal resume duties as a Chief Minister? The court has asked him not to, and if not, how Delhi will be functioning even after Arvind Kejriwal's release. But definitely at the moment, preparations currently underway. There is also police barricading that is taking place on both the gates towards the extreme right side and the left side. Yes, so definitely preparations await for Arvind Kejriwal to walk out of jail. Back to you.
All right, lot of preparations in place. In fact, the Aam Aadmi Party is also feeling a sense of sukoon with dhols and sweets. They are triumphantly declaring victory of the truth. In fact, the Aam Aadmi party workers have also put up posters, like Isha was also just pointing out, that they have put in posters to welcome Arvind Kejriwal. Joining the Aam Aadmi Party's chorus, though, are allies in the India bloc as well, because they continue to say that the ED and the CBI has now been called out by the Supreme Court. They're accusing the BJP of misusing central agencies to target opponents who are politically strong.
This has come as a relief, and the Supreme Court had given a lesson to the BJP government. They are misusing all their agencies, be it ED or be it CBI, whatever agencies they have under their control. They are misusing them against the opposition party leaders. Bail is a right of the accused. He is still an accused. He is not a convicted. He is an accused. Here, the ED and CBI had to prove their case. So far, they have, I don't know what steps they have taken to prove that case. Why should he be suffering in the prison? He is a chief minister, he is a party leader. Unnecessarily, they have put him in jail.
पहले हेमंत सोरेन जी, हमारे झारखंड के गठबंधन के मुख्यमंत्री को जमानत, और अब अरविंद केजरीवाल जी को भी जमानत मिल गई है। सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने उनको ये पाया है कि ये केस जमानत के योग्य है। जन्नाटेदार करारा तमाचा है ये मोदी सरकार पर, जो राष्ट्रीय एजेंसियां हैं जांच की, उनका दुरुपयोग एक फ्रंटल संगठन के तौर पर करके